Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just finishing up my day at Universal Studios Florida doing an update video. Didn't think I was gonna have a lot, but there were a couple of things that surprised me today. But before I get too far ahead of myself, let's go back to the start of my day and see how it all went down. Let's start by seeing if we can find any updates in CityWalk today. I feel like Wicked for Good has come and gone with not much fanfare. Didn't hear too much excitement about it on the internet. Definitely not enough to warrant its own land at Epic Universe. And honestly, I don't feel like there was enough buzz for the entire franchise to even warrant a single ride. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. There's a retail cart in CityWalk that has Peanuts, you know, Snoopy and the gang, Charlie Brown and the gang at merchandise, and Rainbow Bright. But I've already detailed this in a video I posted yesterday, a merch search video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Even though Halloween Horror Nights has been over for a while, I do want to point out inside of the Universal Studios store, they still have a whole wall of Five Nights at Freddy's merchandise. But then again, the new movie is coming out December 5th. Alright, here's our weekly look into the construction site for the Rip Ride Rocket replacement attraction. Still moving dirt. We can see several support pillars for the roller coaster, which apparently, man, it's going to have a prominent profile here in CityWalk. Get some good views of the coaster, entice people to go buy tickets, get in the studios and ride it, I guess, huh? Alright, time to head into the theme park, Universal Studios Florida. If this is your first time on the channel, we do this once a week where we step inside and see what's happening, keep you up to date on the latest things. I also visit Islands of Adventure once a week for an update video, so there's no better way to stay up on the current happenings at Universal than to subscribe to this channel. And as we're walking into the park, let me just go ahead and say, if you like what I do, like this video, go ahead and hit that hype button. Yeah, the hype and the like. Last week, all the little trees and the foliage were trapped behind temporary fencing, but everything is set up as it should be today, and it looks pretty good. Good little photo op here. So as I walked into the park, I picked the line of Miss America. She's one of the ticket scanners, the pass scanners here at the front gate. I picked her line, and she told me something I did not know, that they're going to change the park hours for studios starting January 5th. Where this park here, Universal Studios Florida, will not open until 10 a.m. I haven't checked it out online or anything, but Islands of Adventure will keep its regular hours, but it's going to open later over here at Studios, apparently. Maybe that's the Epic effect, because, you know, Epic Universe doesn't open until 10 a.m. Maybe Universal got a taste of that and said, hey, give us some more. We'll do that for Studios, too. The team member and UOAP discount store here at the Brown Derby now has 80% off until January 4th. And today I was told there's no further discount than that 80%. And that would be off the lowest marked price on the sticker of your merchandise. And I did look, it's like there's nothing my size. In yesterday's merch search video, I showed you a line of merchandise from Whatever Makes You Happy. Well, they have some Whatever Makes You Happy merchandise in the 5 and dime. Let me show it to you. It's Killer Clowns from Outer Space Whatever Makes You Happy merchandise. Now here's the thing is, I showed some of this stuff yesterday, and I showed what I thought was 2 bags. It might have only been 1, because this I thought was 2 bags. It is 1 bag. It's just reversible. So one side looks like this. That's one side. Has your little bag charm there. And then, let's just show you the back of it. It's pretty plain. But, see inside there? It reverses to look like this. $70 for the reversible bag. Now, the Peanuts and Snoopy stuff I showed you yesterday may have been reversible too. I just didn't know it. Now, here is another Killer Clowns Whatever Makes You Happy bag. Large. This is a big one. That's the front side. The back side, and let's flip it back around so you can see the front opens up, and then this can unsnap and flop down to reveal placeholders for more bag charms. So I guess I should show you the inside lining. People like that. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it comes with, I guess, that one charm and then a couple other things on the side. 70 bucks for this. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Make it look proper. There we go. $70 for this. Back into the streets, and we can see Earl the Squirrel just finished up a meet and greet over by the Tribute store. You're gonna make it. It's too far. So far to walk. Oh, he's so tired and hungry. Hey. Well, I was gonna say go grab some nuts, but that might not sound too proper. Oh, Homer and Marge, they're done too. He's gonna go grab some donuts. FYI, when it comes to Disney content, I do that on my other channel, Rix Q. I just posted a fun video for Disney's Hollywood Studios. I'll leave a link to it in the description box, and it'll be on the end card at the end of this video. Here near DreamWorks Land, the Imagination Cafe, still behind construction walls. I was wondering if they're gonna update the menu when this reopens, but if they are, why would they still be advertising what they've had here previously, the pizza and stuff? So maybe it's going to reopen with the same menu. I would think though, you know, if you're going to do a little bit of a pardon our dust, maybe you get a new menu. We'll see when it reopens. That is a pretty good pizza. It's a different style of pizza than what you're going to get at Louis'. That dough is kind of a fluffy and crispy dough. So it's a nice change from that New York style that they have at Louis'. Into Springfield, where Dufftoberfest is still happening. It will last as long as the Dufftoberfest beer lasts. Could go into January, just depends. I think last year it lasted until New Year's Eve. Into Moe's for the love tester.
I like it. Hey, how about Uncle Moe's family feedback?
Now inside the Quickie Mart, they have these Duff carbonated drinks, like a soda. I bought a couple of these for Thanksgiving for people to try, and as I was warned by some viewers, not very good. Haven't seen any long wait times today. Let's go into Diagon Alley and check on Gringotts, see what its wait time is. Walking around, crowd level seems a little low. Escape from Gringotts is the only ride in Diagon Alley, and it's only a 15-minute wait. One could say just being in and walking around Diagon Alley is an attraction. Right? Dragon agrees. It's a cool place to get food and drinks, do some shopping, and just enjoy the ambiance. Here's a Fast and Furious Supercharged update. It's still here. Rumors that there might be a new Mummy movie starring Brendan Fraser, and I'm down for it. The last time we were in New York City for an update video, I showed you this. This was here, but this has been added since then. Some type of food and beverage truck. Winter's Chill. Not nice list. Cola Cheer, that's them drinks they have. Is it just drinks? I think it is. Wait, no, there's a turkey slider for $9.49. Pretzel sticks for $7.99. Fresh baked cookies, which would be snickerdoodle and chocolate chip, for $4.29, and hot chocolate. And then more alcoholic beverages. Wow, okay. So I went ahead and got the turkey slider, which is sliced turkey served on a pretzel roll with brie cheese, sage aioli, and cranberry sauce. $9.49 the price. Okay, not a bad little sandwich. The pretzel bun was really good, soft and fresh. I will say the bites I enjoyed the most were the ones that had the cranberry sauce. Acted almost like a jelly. on the sandwich. So there you go, a nice little treat, a snack, if you will, for you. I'm not going to get one of these specialty drinks, but I thought you might be interested in what they are. The Winter's Chill, a lime juice, pomegranate syrup, simple syrup, Sprite, chill. Not so nice list is cranberry juice, blackcurrant syrup, and Seagram's ginger ale. And the Cola Cheer, cranberry juice, vanilla syrup, and Coke, and holiday creamy vanilla. And I just realized as I read the small print, or the italicized, those are just like non-alcoholic versions of that. You can get a cocktail version as well. I don't know what the extra price would be, but cocktails around here are going for like 18, 19 bucks. So anyway, a nice little holiday drink, or if you want to up the ante, holiday cocktail. I'm not going to read too much into it, pun intended, but the construction wall over here by the old Rip Ride Rocket Ride has added some new flyers. This one for Jake and Elwood, and then this was from like an old tribute store. What else do we have? We have this one here, Battle of the Bands auditions. Okay. And this set here, Club Moon, new location opening soon. I don't think they mean anything, but if you think they do, you tell us in the comment section below, what do you think it means? I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm in the mood, or I'm ready for a retheming of Race Through New York. You know, it could operate in the same manner, but just, you know, just have a different theme to it. I mean, like, does anyone care about late night shows anyway? Yeah, why not change it to like something related to Saturday Night Live? Like we're riding through some of the famous skits or something, I don't know. Minion Mayhem is one of the most popular attractions in the park, along with Escape from Gringotts. But just like Escape from Gringotts, it's only a 15-minute wait. I'm assuming they're gonna have a big New Year's Eve bash here at Music Plaza this year. I won't know for sure. I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna be spending my New Year's Eve live streaming at Epic Universe. I hope you join me then.